Can I earn a good living as a copywriter? Well, that's an interesting question. There was a couple of points around this. Firstly, defining what a good living is. If by good living you mean can you replace your income, and depending on what it is that you do as a job, how quickly you can replace your current income is depending on your ability to both learn copywriting and your ability to sell your services to clients as well. So say, for example, I think the average wage in the UK is higher than £30,000 a year. Is it possible to earn the same income being a copywriter? Absolutely. I would say that is in the lower end of what you can earn as a full-time copywriter if you're effective, if you do a good job and you're able to retain clients. So, in terms of earning a good income, absolutely. A good living, absolutely. The other benefit, of course, is that as a copywriter, you have the flexibility to work from anywhere as well. So unlike a lot of other careers, you have time flexibility as well as that kind of upper limit for income as well. You don't have to worry about, that there is a limit to how much I can earn. If you play it in the right way, if you work effectively, if you get the results that you want and you are very, very targeted on the right type of clients to work with, you can both increase your time freedom, you can also increase your income at the same time, and you can be incredibly successful as well. Again, it's all dependent on two things. If you want to go into copywriting and you want to start building your income to replace the income that you've got, it's possible to do. And it's possible to do very quickly as well. It's almost like how quickly do you want to go? But it's going to be a function of two things. And those two things are, one, getting really good at learning, at mastering copy. And that's not doing it from an academic sense. That's doing it from a sense of being able to get results for your clients. If you are a copywriter who gets results for your clients, you are never going to struggle for work and you are never going to struggle to retain them or to put up your prices. Being able to put up your prices is a result of being in demand. And if you're getting results for clients, and you're getting people coming back and people seeing the work that you're doing, you will succeed at that. The flip side of that, and the other thing that is very, very important to do, and this is a thing that very, very good copywriters, a lot of very, very good copywriters don't earn what they should be earning because of this. And that's the ability to effectively sell yourself and your services and market yourself. And that means about going out and getting clients. And this is very hard to do initially. You may have like a network, but you might not find necessarily the right type of clients that will allow you to continue to build. So having a really clear idea of who the right clients are, and how to sell them, how to present what you do to them in a way that makes them trust you, that gives you credibility, and helps them believe that you're going to help them get with it. If you've already got results, that is great because you can obviously lean on those and you can talk about those. But even if you haven't got results, even if you haven't got a portfolio behind you or you haven't got experience, there's a certain way of presenting yourself and structuring a service or a deal in order to take the risk off them, to give you an opportunity to show people what you can do. And being able to know how to do that, and part of that's to do with how you select your clients and the way that you approach them. But that's obviously going to have a very big impact on how quickly you can earn a good income and replace your income and grow your business. So mastering copy and learning how to find clients, those two things together will make a huge difference in those initial stages. There's a third element as well, which comes in later, and that's how do you use your income, reduce the time you spend working while also growing your business. And that's more to do with productivity and systems and understanding how to make sure you don't burn out, how to make sure that you're not overwhelmed by the work you're getting in and how you may want to scale your business. But initially, earning a good living is something you absolutely can do. It's something that, you very easily be able to earn more than the national wage, no matter what country you're in. And it's something that will give you a huge amount of fulfillment as well. It's, you feel very lucky writing as a job, especially if you've got clients behind you who are absolutely delighted with the results. So can you earn a good living as a copywriter? Absolutely, you can. If you want to find out more information about how you can make your first steps into copywriting, please go to ukcopywritingacademy.com, where you'll be able to find resources, cheat sheets, and training that will give you everything you need and complete systems to be able to make your first steps into copywriting and beyond.